STEAM-powered learning. Hilton at Island Elementary School has been transformed into a STEAM interactive learning center thanks to Mobile Ed Productions' Traveling STEAM Museum. Students are exploring science, technology, engineering, art, and math through several hands-on activities.
We really wanted kids to have their own agency. They needed to have a voice, a choice, some ownership in what they do. And we love that the museum allows kids to go in and play, yet learn so much through play, which is all the things we promote here. We want inquiry, we want excitement, we want creativity. And it's just been a joy to watch the children playing, learning together, growing.
Students are controlling robots, digging into a prehistoric playground, and engineering their own designs using rods.
I like how you could build different things with it, like houses, anything you would want to build.
Students are putting both their physical and mental skills to the test in chaos.
There are 4 colors, so you try to get as many points as you can. The first player to get 100 points, or the player with the most points by the end of the time limit, which is 60 seconds, wins.
And it has a lot of things to do with science because you have to use energy by being the fastest as you possibly can.
The STEAM Museum features more than 10 activities, challenging students to think critically, build creatively, and solve problems in real time.
I think it's good because we can learn more science things and tools, and we can build, look around, and discover new things in science.
The STEAM Museum wraps up the school's week-long STEAM celebration, which included student science fair projects, an egg drop challenge, and lots of hands-on learning. At Hilton at Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.